Hello world, we are the Firebase Boys, and today we will be showcasing our app, the Presenti presentation app. The goal of our app is for students to present their projects to viewers who can chat and give feedback about the app at the same time, without interrupting the presentation. In this video, we will be walking through the app and the functionality of the code behind the scenes.
When you first type in the URL, you will be directed to the login page, in which you can then decide to sign up in the upper right-hand corner. Upon filling in the necessary information, you will be sent to the chat page. This is where the magic happens. Users who have signed up will appear on the bar on the left side of the screen, and they will have the green online indicator if they are signed in at the moment. When signed out, the green circle is changed to gray. In the bottom bar here, you can type out the message you want to send. You can click the send button or hit the enter key to send your message. For clarity, your sent messages are displayed in blue and the other users' messages are gray. Each sent message also has the sender's display name, date, and time shown on the left side of the message. Over in the display page is where the presenter will display their projects. Here, you see an input and a button. The presenter will change the source attribute of the iframe based on the input. In this tab is the feedback list, where you can send static messages that are meant for constructive feedback for the presenter. So now let's dive into the code.
We are using JavaScript and Angular to program the app, and therefore have many different components throughout. Each component has a main TypeScript file that the component runs off of. This file in each component handles the imports from other files and handles the functionality such as initializing the CSS styling and the HTML. Another major part of the code is the services file, which handles the creating of the user, sending of the messages to the Firebase database. This file assigns the signed-in user to the message being sent and the time in which it's sent. Here's the Firebase database, where all the chat messages are sent, users are stored, and feedback messages are sent. This may be a long list of messages, but we've made it so that only the most recent 25 messages are displayed in the chat window. Here in the app module TypeScript files where we actually set variables to the components. And finally, the routes file makes it possible to assign our components to certain route URLs.
So to conclude, the live chat, iframe source changer, and the feedback list are the main features of this application. Other important features include account signup, login, and logout. This application is useful for projects hosted by third-party hosting sites such as Heroku or Firebase. Firebase Boys out.